Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi omurubuli kubwatya nabo kurigirirwa na kiro muntu.
Mwanchumu rigelia w'Ensoko TV ni mwambie ndengia aseri tukerigari 15 na gatatu asomutinyo 5 na gatatu mwaka bwechile fuibere merongebere 5 na rimo tukumira nande asembeo asemambia bona asomurubirega bweterobini gochakera bono goika chinsa isano ne mochia bono mubaso asugo kwandira na kumurekera yagendere tokorekana emambia ya bono kurwa chisemi obochenu oboremi siasa na magendero ayagendere tokorekana ime na isiko yensi ya Kenya tusange asobwamo wetera senchira yo mutandao bwekerero asensemo ya Facebook Ensoko Digital na boigo asensemo ya YouTube Ensoko TV na bya mawasiliano na nakonya gwetere nsabu igo chaka gutuma ujumbe yago enyenge na nyuma yo kwenyora abera tatandira temambia bono boigo ntachiko so asenkwani itemambia ya bono erikoligereria ayagendere tena boigo sanga subwagale emambia eyega seri tukeliga lya tichi kabire tusanga subwameriane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chakare mambia bono nyuma y'abamenyi b'Ekenyoro Kiembonga egotoka bugichora ensemo ya bunge ya West Mugrange County ya Nyamira kwerera amakongo babere bagwetera gusamba kumwakore twekero chinguru cyomurero westima chikobora ensemeyo nigo bono bare no mogoko chinga kibaretere transformer ende enya nigo bayira nerimbia mono guchiase OBC yekigancha kia NGCDF kia West Mugrango wetero mujumbe obo Steven Mugaka asokubeko mukiana kweri kibuna chinguru echo chestima cheranire nainde nonye nabo nigabamenyi abo bagikeire bikorobyo bwebi asechiwaya chestima asensemeyo asebasabire serikali erigereria engane yibwikranu naryo estimeyo erabakonya
yetani wangoro kupita nyandoera Kenyoro gitong mongolis lakini bona igo torese Kenyoro Kiembonga ase transformer ito yabe ko yugueru no mote ikaba kego sarika ase chigwikibere chaitire lakini asobia di tukekere umuto iyo nyugwerete tugakwana no umuchumbe Steve Mugaka tukamotebia tuanyorire michandoro ga Kiembonga akaira atwa itukelike gima aba chibundi chigacha mambiaye chigache kene chigatokonya transforme yabeire paka twa roriro muriro bona Kiembonga kurwa umaega nigo twachandika senge kekenene etinga ntubwateka igestima sabantu baitu bare gosia nigo baguchandika mono sana chisimia abantu bagasinyosi bago chacheri lakini asiri tukoria rero nigo tugwakera muchumbo itombia mono asigasi akorire baka rentire estime ya abantu baitu bansire kororera buya igo nigo tugwaka mbia mono sana bone gantu bwati muriro gochakera Mbonga paka geta na abandi bakagenda bakasalie transformer yarenga arige tionko nero bakasalia paka bone kairwa na ndi ntwanya korora muriro paka bone nabo tuchandike tengenje kabirei abantu mbara orobu no bono batujandire mono bagocha bakora ukarapati estima Mbonga gaiga paka kwanya estima na ndi sarigete abantu buna batujandire buna bono gaiga Mbonga bachite bakaibo no bono igwaya kwenda geta kurwa Mbonga paka geta igwaya ya estima
asama lieta na nkuru kansorere Nyakundi Kenyoro kiane na Kiembonga yango ditangani nkoira ribagadi ogwakero mwishimiwa Steve Mugaka mwishimiwa West Mugrango seito gaiga gato konyete sana anene kero to kororange transformer kere koros ekorusi ukorwase terigocha yairana ye kwanda yasira pio moderoyo blackout yaba area yo egwaya nere rusiri mata era ni goika pakageta abayibi bajete botuko karanje gaki atororere gose na nyare amone transformer yatebwe karegetionko mate aiga konye goto chandegete baroba bwate chindagiro babegete chi fridge chiasareka igontu achandeka sana sara ntu anyore tenene sana nebi bya tware korora nainde ngo Omwishimiwa Steve Mugaka twamwira nirimbi yamano Omwishimiwa Mugaka twamuboliri karanje asa konyara ateme atobekere gwayeyende abaibi baibete.
Njama lieta na ngoro kucharsi nyandika wono yoruseni enkanigere ga embonga nimbwata gatinga iga gestima muna kurugese kagenda lakini akaro twa akobisi ya CDF umwezi muna asugurigete bwangu sana na koiranie stimi mara moja mnabona igando jinga ndamu akire ngambe yamono
asense mwende okuburwa kwarura guchia saba gusirana anene bari bamenyete ase town ao nabo igo chinse chesko okuno kuburi kwarure kwarwa ase abarayibe kiombe kya nyake omo kya nyakeoma kya CBO imiomo chio Nairobi chinga kibare kubare korate basi eyuba guchia gusiori starikisa none mumutienyi orebosio gukwana abarayi abo bakoragwa no monya kirogobo Edwin Mogere boigo abarayi bande nigo bono batebire bagusirana nalio baragendera buna egesaku
samalieta nguru kwa Edwin Mogere Kionga korwe Kionga village Nyalibali Masaba constituency Kiamo kama ward aiganinde n'abarayi ba kiombe gikoro kunya kiomakia CBO formal kiale koro kwa nyakiomakia welfare lakini kada tu realizing a membership yeto yakinire tukateba tigebe CBO nalira nyare go cover kinid chionsi gosoko kani wonsi kulikolese a community ese tokoru osene stomenyete ekiombeke ogia chagete umwaka bwe chiribubere ne motari 2001 and in the normal konga no tubwate one of the founder members gaiga ule mona into ku Jackson mo chama karani yoroko boko nega kwa borio na uba chagete kare bagumera na Liur Park bagateba yaya libaga abantu baito amatanga akoba tuange akuminyoka nabarayi tuange akuminyoka negi sani ese bijije stomenyete tiga tuchakege ntugikobeka abantu baitamo elindo bonkere bwabere twabwatirana kiombe kege gacha koba formally registered umwaka bwechiribubere na 12 nalikiali ikitu tukanyole certificate kururesa Ruaraka constituency because abantu abange Nairobi bamenyete kurwenga kiye kiombe kege gacha gete n'abantu abake kyaberege comment abantu bona igatubwate active members bara abantu 230 na isatu 238 rita rito tokoro kanya kiomakia ekiombe gya chagete kuru sebinyoro bine birange bibwate bibekaine ntobwate nyamagesa yuete ndenya yukio Kionga macha chumbi nelio mwali kia mirega lakini bone sengi tubwata abantu kuru ese giekere kiombe bwata abantu kuru gusiengima bono yakiro umuntu ndo bwensi yogocha na bakonyora inuguta ya nero ngena abantu banyamasibi bate banyamasibi ngena abantu bamasimba manerororo ngena abantu banyacheki igo kibwate gusiengima kiombeke ebintu gyakora mostly kiare okora mangana amatanga amundu itokara kule twachanga twakonyana lakini kere twachikonteba nibono twabekanira amo tukateba yaya ngikeraga tukanya amatangoka asifu kiombe ngi kunyara okora magendera ndonsi ntubwato bole mutwa golete nkong tubwato bole mubone tugolete Narok abantu bali abakatwarengo kare twacha gukigali umwaka bwechiribubere na 24 tukateba ni yaya ndote tubwate ningia tigatugule gali sengi twanyortenga kare toko endo mundu itasirire gusi ekosti enene ko bane ya matanga esa matanga ni yegali tukagule gali entangani ere maega ya inega iga ikweruka Epeneza 001 etwabegete 001 esengi njo twabwate no kuganinga nyasaye gagutugurira chinjera go chimutuga iga ndoiki Epeneza chinyinge 002 nero 003 nebo 004 nebo kogenderera igo ekiombeke kuri umwaka gyachagete kerekere formally registered umwaka wechiribubere na 12 kiabe irororo paka bono iga kirigireti emyaka 20 esababu kiabe irorora matuka yonsi nesingi yeli chiko kero umuntu itanyorero bokongu atogoteba kero umuntu ire no bwa bwarenge esingi njo ise ko batorwe bese elios ne ya matanga yarenge eto ukurusio esababu ne ise gotoka naye kwanyora oyo nondi neta korwera amatanga takogenderera igo lichikeri na liagerire abantu baito bagenderete nande baramo bakasai nobo mobwo n'abantu abange bari bagosoba buna sai ebagocha ese nginje kiombe keiga it has tested kiabere tested kiarorekane ne kiombe kebwate lichiko ligia n'abantu abange bagocha bateba yaya ige kebwate lichiko na kingosoa ingere twarenge kabuneke ese nginje barayi barenge bebereregete bagwanchereria lakini ekegeito abantu abange bagiangite ese nginjo yelichiko litobegete ligoto guide otali goteba ngoyo noyo minto koso noyo oseito tubwegeta abantu bonsi tokuba treat equal because abantu bonsi bale members bekeombe
akioma kene keombe kia akitwara abogoranirie miaka emenge asonde bwense banongo matego kwigura abantu bakubwata noko bokandonsi asemore kumwarangiriru igwerera na bwati abande kero bagutara mutaramo na abande kero musigo gocha na rio konyora nae noramo na abande mutare nabo
ngosaba abantu mwensi moichamo ekero mwachiramo emogo konya no musigo okobole omogusu kero bokongu bwabeire challenges injiri kobora mo especially ekero amatanga abeire chinsa chinde nabo konyora omonto natumete chibesa kwanyora tora mobeka asa akoranga chibesa chiarolekanire chiang'ea gorento lakini rende ngotemande esengonyara kwanyora ngakiro omonto naisanegete ng'a namokoreire egasi engiya nabo igonda abatebing'a gasi yobo gachiteri rahisi netagete obwegenu obonene mono na kobua mono bwobo echibesi chiabanyene igo kogenderera buya na nyasaye na bagusenia
kiombe karige achagite soko konya abana gosomia abana bekenyoro gitu ngiarenge nyuma nande kimukiria abana asa tambe sana abo barega bono batari gochiko bajiguni eria kabere gwetere kiombeke togochigokora omwaka nyasaye gotokonya buya ntobwate ntogwa dividends cio chigokonya abantu bagoro bosibwa mandasi na inde ne sota bairekera omonto nyomba mwaye ebina bia bimo binde tware goteba empowerment eria serikali gonya goteba ekiombeke embagira abantu abange bono bagocha kugenda kugiro na inde tokoro kyo mufane sa abana bagokine kiagera abana abagokina bono mene togonya kubareta ange na barungonya guika barese bakorora bamanyanga iye bakorunga ibaguchi
kera matangaro muchiori bara abange kyomba amatanga yako ba successful ekara kara omogora ariki nguru 100% lakini yako jigosira soli ole magosono yomo twatwara bokongwe sababu bantu mbali okaraki mbali goikira nibune bone kare ekara tuikirabu tukanyora abana balito twatebe twale kokonye school na barabu kera mwana aitire school anyoro mungaini tukateba manyana turangeli twakorora mujanga na ema gusegusi twatumajibesa abana abo banda chikoraji abange bajire chikoraji yo monero tukarudendo beso ubo gakini kenyoro gajago gutwara chingu bona bwaba abange bayo bakaba members ekagara bona ekara twanyoranga some things ndirigo jitwoigwane sababu tura abantu bekenyoreka na bongo kwana onyoyo isoja tatato mintu tako ngiguna bararo ngana ki point yakwa aratigie timoto tukatebege ntoka tukari ikiombe gitu tigatobeka abantu bakorwararia isiko ekagara tukaini cooperative abantu ba gipororo mugusi nabo gojokareki oso ekiombe tosuke motu ekanyoranga ekara twabekira abantu abaisiko administration yekiombe geko baraisiko bwa abantu abekenyoreka mo bone iye kagaranga tukagare chinsabo twaikira abantu 237 38 eya nyare twagorire Beneza 001 twagorire tubuno mugati tujede duka tugakana jibesa tukaigwe gari sengenjo twanyore ngoko kaninkoro kwigari iyo nabantu demand nero na members babeira bange eyeye mona beta tokonye konyora eyi empowerment twarengerere tomente ya kabere itwagorase enjere yeron tugojikoronje itareste buna Germany ataba toganeti to support kuna bagusiba minto nabo moindi onde bwensi okoigweke gusi ntoko ganetio joto konye egera tonyara goikera ni ndoto ya itonga embe ritu atebe tunga bamura batange embeo esinyo ya gusi tonye tange tukurero ya Nairobi kara tokorete binde itwa rusiri koruma na inu mwatu agara jinko bina mutu support kuru gusi tonjore rigusi gekora mu gusi no bwomokia omokio ritogotebe to banga no muntu okwana tusioke negento gekora ng'aki bamurabe bendera ito bairuturu rari nekarteki inapepea bado
ase ng'inche kiombe ke yanje tamagenderero eye maega yaito ikuru kwepeneza 001 mena nateba abantu baminto abarai bonse korugusi n'abantu baminto bonse Kenya engima andonsi ese Kenya yabeta ngo basororanga kitari kisano nemo mutinyo kiando mwaka oyo era abali tukuri ya Jumapili no tukarega ali geti keibacho secondary nyali bali masaba tugocha ko launch egali yaito ya kabere ekuru kwepeneza 002 ngo basaba igaga ki abantu baminto moto amagoro moto bwate sia barayi baminto korugusi abanda muroche iga ba ku represent the 238 members bali bara active batemirese bali konyara lakini muize kwa jamu beko koboko yona boko nya mwatukiniri na intogende kwange kemo ne kende abantu baminto mbaji ko saberera yatoka we are empowering ourselves obasemi bwana uchi saba gusiba bali batayete ko cyaki kiombe nobo abantu baminto anyamugo cyaki kiombe mubwate okay number 1 there is strength in numbers kera abantu bago cyamo boko ngubonde bwensi ose project yende yote murata ke gokora geko baraisi kwenye ikere so bwango so mugo cyaki kiombeke gose kirimu achakire mubwate beka machiko ali aranyare kubara teto kanga lero lisengenye mutabwati chiko oyo mwa konyoro bokongu mwaru gutine ibere sengenje ngakiyeyu abantu mbabwate besa engakiende uyonde akonyoro bokongu mwanyora bona aro sengenje no muiri yo close waso iri ko kwa rulo senelibu eyu wasalirie kiombe lakini ese kiombe kelike bwata machiko onye boyeke tenga nelibu ya mo kurukiro muntigaru elibu ya mo onye gotete ko momentere kando because kwa mente yende ne yo basanda lakini ye kiombe ebete same itineroro imuna na kolera uyu minto muina nuyu muino ganta maitine na bana mokolera enjire eyu na bekiombe gego kongana andike gendere na andike suke mutu watambe abagusi twamanyekanire nga nduna abantu togwetoma to kwerwa kwa hali na mali komekie bintu bigenderera abagusi bonsi ese babe toisa ko ndandonsi tokuboru bagusi etokembokamba konza siti ndubwata abantu na ba Justus Mumanyi ndubwata abantu katani ba abange nekintemo kyonsi kya Kenya abagusi bonsi ese babeta ikanamo torosie kiombe kyabagusi tokubwaterana bali ese more bali abakamorororo musirane engmangana ali abantu bakanyolese no bokongu abantu bangya kumyoka nekisani para yatuka ne para mo bloget ne bicha mo gutara nero ngagakitokonye ebimbi asira abantu baminto njwamo twale ebyombe mechandende yonsi yerabe raisi na bokonye na magenda ndo murata ke kokora gara raisi goikera ne sengenjo there is strength in numbers una natieka gokwana
Ende mubunge bwensemo ye bunge ya Kiharu ndindi nyoro ninganganyire kurwa sekiama kia UDA na gosoa sekiama kia People's Party of Kenya ndindi nigo boigo airechinga kikukwanira yabwatikene no burayi bwa bono na boigo kwerera kirikiganirie gokorekana irigusukia ensi ya Kenya bosi na koreta monchirilio imeyense.
Sikize ndugu zangu, kaka zangu, mujiulize, wakati tulishida katika uchaguzi na tukaanza kazi na tukaendelea, nataka niwaache na haya. Ni kitu gani hiki Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua alifanya haraka hivyo? Mlielezwa ni nini? Akatolewa kwa ofisi na madharau. Mimi nimesimama hapa, nataka niwaulize kwa unyenyekevu, kama mshaisikia Dede Nyoro akikosea heshima kiongozi yeyote, kwa sababu hiyo siasa sio siasa naonaga ikiwa mzuri. Ningetaka mjiulize aliwaeleza nini iliendelea hapo. Mjiulize tu wenyewe. Mheshimiwa Mithika Linturi alikosa kiti chake cha ugavana kule Meru kama tunafanya kampeni, kwa sababu alijitolea kwa kufanya kazi ya kutafuta kura. Nataka mjiulize Mithika Linturi alifanya jambo gani? Mshaisikia chochote? Jambo lingine ningetaka niwaulize kaka zangu, dada zangu. Mohamed Ali, mimi nilikawa katika kampeni kule Pwani, alishikilia sisi mpaka akakoda kwa kampeni, kwa sababu kampeni ni kazi kubwa sana. Nataka mjiulize, Mohamed Ali mshaisikia amekosea yeye heshima? Mjiulize kitu gani ilifanyika. Mjiulize Mheshimiwa Aisha Jumwa, shagazi wa taifa, akashikilia kule Kilifi mpaka akakosa kiti chake cha ugavana. Nyinyi wenyewe mjiulize, mshaiambiwa mashida yake ni gani? I want to plead with you. Kenyans have no problem with the president. It is him who has a problem with Kenyans. And associated with the Wheelbarrow Party, the UDA. Kwa sababu hivi hata naona hata wenye Wheelbarrow wenyewe wataitoka waiwache. The second thing I want to sikizane tafadhali, because I want to be very direct. The second thing, mimi kama Dede Nyoro na wafuasi wangu kutoka leo nimeingia chama inaitwa People's Party of Kenya. Jambo la tatu ndio tuendelee vizuri. The third thing, I am glad that the membership of the People's Party of Kenya wamenipea nafasi na wakanieleza tukifanya mambo ambayo tunafanya kwenda mbele. Wameniuliza kwa sasa tuongoze hiyo maneno. Na mimi nimeitikia hiyo mwito. The third thing, as all the membership of the People's Party of Kenya, we have today joined the opposition. Tutulie. Haya, tutulie. Viongozi wale watapeleka Kenya mbele from next year. I also ask humbly the people of Kenya, muangalie pia People's Party. Pia wao wako na viongozi wanaweza shikana mkono na wengine na tukoboe Kenya August of next year. I also want to say this. I have taken time to consult almost all the opposition leaders. I have sat down with Peter Munya. I have sat down with Honorable Mother Karua. I have sat down with Honorable James Orengo. You know, my brother Sifuna is my brother. I have sat down with Honorable His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. I have sat down with Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka. I have consulted even many others I could have forgotten. In fact, I want to confirm to you, I have had almost a near-long consultation with most of them, including almost for a whole year, Honorable Dr. Fred Matiang'i. And therefore, I want to say this. In all the people's tours, that is the People's Party tours, all the aspirants of the opposition are invited. Anytime. Wewe kama unatoka chama ambayo ni ya kukomboa Kenya next year, iko katika chama yote ambayo inasema hii serikali imedhulumu wa Kenya ya kutosha. Na kwa sababu ya hiyo tamu yao ni moja peke yake. Ukisikia People's Party iko kwenu, unakuja tunakupea nafasi because we are all brothers and sisters.
You would have a leader giving the kind of money that I see being given out at State House every other day. Even if you are Elon Musk, you cannot be giving that kind of money without us where you have gotten that money. I think Kenyans, we are in a position now without fear to ask President Ruto where he's getting all this money. It is your money. It's not his money. It is our money. And that is why when we talk about state capture, sometimes we talk about cartels or companies owning a nation. But in Kenya, we have a situation where one man has captured the state and captured the country. Even Mobutu never did that. So we must have a sense of national outrage, because we may not, at this rate, have a nation called Kenya by the time we get to the year 2028. And solving the problem does not begin with elections. Solving the problem begins with making Kasongo's life very difficult now, not next year. Ama ni aje? Tuko pamoja? And when you say one term is a single solution, is a silver bullet. Now, finally, because you know
kati ya wale wa Kenya ambao nilikuwa najaribu kuketi, ninaangalia fikra za Mheshimiwa William Ruto, yale maoni yake kuendesha Kenya mbele, na vile mimi nakufahamu wewe, na nilikuwa nasema wewe na Ruto ni maji na mafuta. Kwa hivyo nafurahi sana leo kwamba umeondoka, na mimi nakuunga mkono katika safari ya kuunda chama cha People's Party of Kenya. Na tunakukaribisha katika ukumbi wa upinzani. Pili, mimi nimefika hapa sio kwa niaba yangu peke yangu, lakini pia nimekuja kama seneta ambaye anamwakilisha mheshimiwa ambaye pia katika wale wanaotaka kumuona Mheshimiwa Ruto akiondolewa mamlakani. Nimepewa salamu nikuletee na kiongozi wa chama cha Jubilee, Mheshimiwa Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Na aliniambia nikifika hapa nikupe salamu zake na nikuhakikishie kwamba hii safari ambayo umeanza hivi leo anaungana nawe na mtatembea pamoja. Na kama wakili mimi nakubaliana nawe kwamba ikiwa tunataka kukomboa taifa letu la Kenya, mpaka tufikirie vile tunashughulikia wale ambao wanapewa nyadhifa za uongozi, lakini wanachukua nafasi hiyo kunyakua mali ya Wakenya. Na sisi hatutakuwa taifa la kwanza. Mheshimiwa Orengo anajua hii nchi ambayo umetaja ya South Korea imemfunga rais wakisha toka mamlakani. Ukisoma historia ishawafunga rais wa zamani wakisha toka mamlakani. Ukitembea kule Brazil washafunga rais akitoka kule mamlakani. Mimi najua katiba ya Kenya kipengele 240 inasema kwamba rais ule aliyeko ofisini kwa sasa hivi Mheshimiwa William Ruto, yeye ndio mwenyekiti wa National Security Council. Na inasema pale kwa katiba kwamba yeye ndiye ana supervise all the police entities. Sasa tukiona jana, wiki iliyopita na siku zingine kwamba maaskari kule Keumbu, Mheshimiwa Orengo, askari wenyewe ndio walikuwa wanasimamia wahuni wakiyapiga wale watu waliokuwa wakija Kisii kutoka ile timu ya Linda Mwananchi. Sasa mimi nauliza Ruto, una supervise nini wewe? Una supervise nini? Kwa sababu yeye ndio chairman, katiba inasema yeye ndio chairman. Kusupervise inamaanisha usimamie. Sasa yeye anasimamia polisi kuwa wahuni wakuja kupiga wanasiasa wengine. Kwa hivyo nakubaliana na wewe Mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro kwamba acha tufungue chapter mpya katika siasa ya Kenya. Nimefurahia kwamba umezungumza maneno ambayo yanatafuta kuleta suluhisho kwa yale matatizo ambao Wakenya wanayapitia. Mimi sasa hivi nina pastor rafiki yangu ambaye ameenda kule ng'ambo India kwa matibabu, na tuko katika ile group ya WhatsApp kumchangia ili aweze kupata matibabu kule India. Nafurahi kwamba
Asanse mwende magigaya nsemwe ya gisiasa ya Linda Mwananchi eyue koragwa no senator we county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna gokoretaro yabo ase county ya Homa Bay abo asibanyora chinga kichinkongosoa ase umuchie we county ya Homa Bay nigo bono besokire na kugikiria ebikoro byobosagani ne chiburo buru ebyo byabikwanekigwa ase ritkoria Jumapili engaki babwate umusangikana ase county eyo abwase enibo abangi batigetu ne chingoma ao na abande gosiria obugima bwabo buna ekobwatia.
Our efforts to meet and engage with the people of Homa Bay were frustrated by barricaded roads, attacked from armed terrorists in the full glare of the public, media and police officers. The first incidences were reported in the night of 15th August 2026, where several of our teams raised alarm over roadblocks by goons at various points on all major roads leading to Homa Bay town. The state-sponsored militia actively and openly took over major highways and attacked motorists at several points including Nyangweso, Olare, Rangwe, Oyugis, Rodi, Mbita, and Sindo amongst others. For the avoidance of doubt that the state was fully complicit on this wave of terror, several of our vehicles were hauled with stones and other projectiles by terrorists standing just 200 meters away from a police block at Rangwe. Evidently, the police were not interested in stopping the real criminals. They only wanted to make sure that we were unable to defend ourselves when attacked. In the full element of economic paralysis, that is an automatic outcome of state terrorism, the inaccessibility of Homa Bay was not the only thing stopping free progress of business. The situation was worse within Homa Bay town, where the state terrorists freely moved around hotels in search of guests believed to be Linda Mwananchi members. At the tourist hotel, these state terrorists even forcibly broke into rooms in the hope that they would find and execute our members. Both in occurrence and severity in the morning of 16th August 2026, with several motorcades carrying our members and leaders were blocked and stoned as they made their way into Homa Bay town. Long before the meetings began, our teams endured immense struggle to use public roads, almost as though entitlement to national resources and facilities is limited to those who pay homage to this regime. To subdue the freedom of media, who are bravely making efforts to highlight the state's warfare against its people, the terrorists also targeted members of the press, with Frederick Kooko and Brian Ongoro from AFP, and journalists of K24 and Citizen being accosted while covering the dire state of affairs in Homa Bay ahead of their meetings, and their vehicles and properties of the journalists were also damaged and equipment stolen.
The government is trying desperately to change the conversation in relation to what is happening in the country, particularly to the question of who are sponsoring goons. I think it is a record everywhere we have gone as Linda Mwananchi, across the country. There has been peace, except when there's interference by the Kenya Kwanza government. I think that record is clear, and we are happy about the people of Kenya in showing faith and confidence on Linda Mwananchi because we are accepted across the nation. In order to advance this narrative, I am told and I'm aware there's a team of police officers who have been sent to arrest in the manner they arrested some of our young people when Edwin Sifuna and I attended a church in Kisumu. They want to arrest some of our cadres, some of our supporters, particularly one gentleman by the name Oliver, better known as Oliveti. And they are carrying with them an A47 gun to try and plant on him, which is not the first time they have tried to do so. So we are warning those in authority who are trying to abuse the law in such a manner that will expose you, and we shall not allow you to abuse the law in order to cause suffering amongst the people.
To Kenyans, we want to inform you that yesterday, as you are aware, we encountered some occupational hazards as we were going to Homa Bay. But what is so surprising is the manner in which the attacks from goons were organized by elected leaders in this country. I want to tell this nation and assure Kenyans and the great people of Homa Bay County that come 2027, one Kaluma, Peter Kaluma, will not see the doors of Parliament again. Comrade here and myself will ensure that Peter Kaluma goes home, and we are going to support one Isaiah Ogwe, who will be the next Member of Parliament for Homa Bay. To Governor Gladys Wanga, as a woman, you know the pain that women go through, the pain of carrying a baby in a womb for 9 months, the pain that they go through during labor, the labor pain, the pain of delivery, the pain of raising a child, educating this child, doing odd jobs in various places to bring up a child to an adulthood stage. Then you take the life of this child. How does it feel as a woman if you take the life of a fellow woman's child? To you, Gladys Wanga, we leave your fate to God. And I want to tell you, Wanga, that whatever you tried yesterday did not succeed. I want to tell you that you can block roads, but you can never block the determination of the people. You can kill people using goons and thugs, but you can never kill the spirit of a nation that has decided to bring changes in this country. Let's meet in 2027. A line is fully drawn. You are either on our side or on the other side. We've taken a line, we've taken sides, and we want to execute from where we are. The spirit of Baba, wherever he is not happy with what is happening in his own party, ODM, which is the Orange Democratic Movement. Where is the democracy? Where has the D turned out to be the demon? Why? Thank you.
Actually, Homa Bay has confirmed the kind of dishonest we have in our government. You remember last week when we raised concerns about the kind of mobilization that was being done by Gladys Wanga and Kaluma. The PS for Internal Security, Raymond Omolo, came out to say that the government has made adequate arrangement to provide security and ensure a peaceful rally. That was not the case. What we saw a government that was determined to continue to sponsor goons, to continue to work alongside the goons, and some of those goons were actually armed with tear gas and with guns. So we are lucky we are alive. Secondly,
I was actually the host of the tour in Homa Bay County over the weekend, so I just want to add my voice to what has been read out here. I think there's enough material, audio and video clips, clearly confirming that the violence was conceptualized, planned, financed, supervised, and executed in the name of President William Ruto and the ODM party. Governor Wanga Honorable Kaluma, MCA Ogindo, are on record as saying they will not allow Linda Mwananchi in Homa Bay to defend Ruto's political chances of re-election and to defend the ODM party. It is also significant that to date, President Ruto has not condemned the mayhem that happened in Homa Bay. They also celebrated the violence the people have mentioned. It is also significant to note that the violence and the goons were actually facilitated by not just the county government, by giving its workers and using the lorries to block the roads and deliver all manner of material to prevent us from entering Homa Bay, but by the night.
Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi. Magega ya televisioni Nsoko wikasero yao. Kwa nyori baga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete senambeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi. Onye kubwa tokuralia wokwenyulia ogukwa gose kubonchulia. Bono na bokonyoli bagali ya bene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyake busani tolikere gose twakere simigwetere namba yaito yobonchulia 0788666662. Nuganete betri oratumia segari yao. Ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba. Ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieliberera gosenga kiyobokendu. Tawe chandika. Autobat Kenya Limited. No tulegigiga asengi yao. Nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia chinga kichonsi. Chibetri uratumia asegari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuro.
Kupitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Obulimira bwesiro yobunda bwense kulende talinchira ndio sura krobulimi obiyoke enyoreri bagali ya bene kwa egwa megelyo chisemi nobosemya egyo obulimi bwekerero nechikolinga
asobolimi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ngombe bune yengia
Gale konyana eyinsimegete nterangetia maraba ekonete konya kukina yo kamaraba konya kuyira nganya kwa mabuya
beka chibuti imokyo bokombe to semogondo bweli nebisumwime na pathway machine
kile tsukuri Jumaine chinsa ni bere chamuragoba wika chinsa isato asomuro bere oberemi nobotugi ekero turesemia mange kura saberemi chini gongoro kwa pathway machine
asomuro bere boberemi nobotugi ime Yensoko TV oboroso bwumugusi mirna nabalibe chinguru Erikwe manyabo na wata kuruchitana nye chinse Frida Kerubo Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Lynette Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke na kigekos kiamesa yamangana maya. Ubugima n'urugendo rw'atamange amaya n'amabe. Umusakito Lynette Nyambane niga ng'aririye imena isiko yagusi na gusanga n'abayaetire n'abakuyaetera.
Nchekera na ibole twe unango tebiwa ndabona ibole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiko ikemia kasta ngachaka ngo develop uruira samagoro wane kamenya goto na twali roba wachagete
aya nime yo muroberyo bumwenori kirali tukule Jumatano chinsa ibiri chabutuko imeya Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi. Eye ne Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi.
Omorigere bwa Nsoko TV karibu na inde mambia ya bono asense muiga ya kabire deka ya muyoka ya tigere kirage chinsa isano chia bono mambia ase tokoswa sense muyende ya kabira suko kwani na kumurikira lero ligo torase ward ya Kiabanyoro ense muye bunge ya North Mugrange County ne ya Nyamira asituko kusanga amuno yokorige kerogo Kyobo MCA kurwase ward yeyo eritoli na ali yagendete kurwase ward ya Kiabanyoro na boigo kiujumla ime yensi ya Kenya se mambia ya bono nine nereme ye studio na kire byanchi ko mwari bagakorene ndara mwari baga naboko bwati nkwani yigagwetera senjele yo mutanda gwekerera sensemo ya Facebook Nsoko Digital Nsoko TV Digital na boigo asensemo ya YouTube Nsoko TV na bama wasiliano kwenye gwetera nsabu iko chaka gutuma ujumbe yago enyenge bwiga no chikonya rali bagalyo gwake simi ekerokeria tugendera tagusanga asara tunachukwanira asubwagare emambia yabono kwani yango umoligereria emambia yabono
tigangirira abancho bategereria ndonsi smule njasa marieta gongoro kwa Michael Mwambi areba ingagere Nyaramba igobona se odi ya Kiabanyoro nchenuonde na enderende nongurigie ekirugo ky'obugambi kurwaroro aso mwaka gocha 2027 August igo muraria kirina atebe abantu baminto banchi tomorembe na ende kero kende batagire konyoro bonchoreri igo bonchoreri obubono ninche na ende that's why I'm here erinde mbaerese na bono toesokiri.
Okay. Ekero to chake nkwane igema mbya bono bwesibo bochori obonene ekero to kuligira matuko ikira bono iga kunya gusukare gusenga akominyoka sana up to now nkagireta matukati around 353 days bwesibo bochori obonene bu mwaka ugo chere ntikere kiengencho abange magendera kwebanga buna bono asekeri yakorekanire ase chinsankego chiaetire oyo ore umubunge bwensemo yebunge ya Kiharu ndindi Nyoro nkwaro chonganye kurase kiama kia UDA bono soira se kiama keria gia People's Party of Kenya PPAK na ekerogotegere nkwane aye ebintu mbirari gukwanira byengencho mono na bwiga korengana nera utira ni byengencho mono na indibiganire koligererwa erigusukia ense ya Kenya bosio kolende strata se alia kwanete iguru yo kunganya kwa kurase kiama kia UDA igemeretina ogwetana nkole kolegaiga asare gotebana imwaroche na serikali ntutwaye rosetie lakini matukabira atatu Rigathi Gachagua gakwa isiko mambira mambiende liare kubwatia na inche ngoyunga tumu moibori ninche ngende kurwe kone ya muguchi ase yende mense ya Kenya nchiko raba Kenya subu galena nkikia korekanite iguru yo konganya kwae
ya buna bono tikantebe na this is the period of Damascus and there is another tsunami which is coming abantu ngonganya bali asobu gimona tomenyete ingakinire ebintu bantu bagochamo nandi ngakinira abantu bakunganya egento gekera abantu banganya uizo ko waagachire nyomba enyomba ino kwaagachire okomenya ko imebe no bokongo turi konyesari nayo kunganya okung'anya gokwari bagarigiya gochakenka erie gokwe birengeri biya ase omorembe otari enyama nebo omonto nabakogenda igo egento kiabeire ase Ndindi Nyoro naende n'abantu barabake eki nekegori egeke bachoretwe bakaenda bunge egari torochiki na Sifuna. These people, they are moving out. The reason being, if they are not included as a program chinde chionzi igo wikabacha korigenjera na baro barakoreki baranyari kuyagacha igo bono kung'anya kwa ekoroko. It is the timing yerenge yo kung'anya na riri ndaratore the muscles and the grip chiraje ko mokonya no gochoru area ka no gosini area tsakari kwenda bono yes na tena nyoro okochoru igo bono si judi ebuno kuma chikorola iga okung'anya kwa beire
ekera gotebana ni chinga kichingia ang'anyire na inde abange bagendera chokong'anya lakini sense mwende na ni chinga kichinde chiriana no nyine okung'anya okuga kororo kure sense mweye muchi sense mwende abange nigo bagenete na abaiga bonsi pigo sekerikandira tokorekana eria tari gutumiko na niche project okwiguna uyo yaya no nyong'anyire kurwa ochire muino gaiga gose uyo rurega ochire gaiga. Number 1 labda ne project yo muntu. Number 2 labda ne mall ya tumiro na muntu gete achokora uchunguzi botukubwa yamanyana abaiga nkibaroberetie asinge officially osera sense mu opposition. Of course tele erebweka kolende abange bagendera tukung'anya lakini unde bwensi okwemukige tambo kirekyo ai data buna we ne project ya muntu gete gose ene mall ya tumiru aina arama litabira gutumikwa
buna bona Ndindi Nyoro okung'anya kwae abantu abange nabo bakumukere na garo kindi ene mall igatumire nebe manyete byana aligo menyombo iyo ekero menyo butayo tukugani kobera ase nyumba noye kwaga chitiko menyo butayo uigorolenjere nayo baraki okomenya inje kotebo minus for na Ndindi Nyoro kung'anya kwae is not a project to anybody. He is speaking evidently here. That's why I joined the other parties as judiciary related opposition. It in the Rajigo Koreki. Ajiku Manana serikali uchikocha na kiakoba. And then all the government ekoba formed. You were formed with a servant. This government is for the people. People they are chosen from as say abantu. It in the one or serikali. Igobone ngento kenene mono ngeri na obochori bondo bwensi burachikoba mondo tayo gotumu na gendo uchiga ari uchiko toretera manana igo rosi birengeri bya na bono na nganyire na ndi bono guchaka turi uchiko rosi serikali ndego
rere kana enkubuli uri kiruge kyakyobo MCA kurase wadi ya Kiabanyoru buna kwimukire ge sabali buna ya chakire ya bura chake sabali yega oike Kiabanyoru abantu bagotebina oyo nonyo uchire oyo nyono uchire nabiranyarikana na ndani gari project yo muntu gete gusinaye batumikerete na labda naye ne mall because ya mangana yango kore kanali yani undi bwensi buna gweso kiyokweguna oyo ni gachiri guturbana chinyo chikura cyenyomba gete asenge ncho enyomba ne rokorwa na labda enyomba ya sukurwa na aroro yo mugose babiri batatu na barabu bayikire wesoke usebesoke tikale naye gwachiri of course mchujo nero ntumetera kino nomination nero mwesoke mwosoegeti muminyokani oyo kwewe ticket aiwe ticket ase because a word nene lakini kare omuna bate nyomberi yakuru ase a word ebena aje mbono gwachire ego sinyone gwaste kare lakini twalikire ichinge chi orogendo rwa gukorwa chagete gocha ukagera nkororo na bori mintombe kali biya
tigo murari ntebe na obochori kare bokoba abange mbesoki chitabi cy'abantu nchitobeke biya na oborai temini tyoko bakulia asa abantu obuna boborai kera abatunyani nabange no Yesu nabwata abatunyani tu lakini okwegena kwabo kotakoriziki kotayo siasa nabinga no abatunyani batunyani tari baruborai nande okeronga kiyoborai bokoba nyasa ukuruborai nagiye gora no ngero tukurigiria bamura bari baringi bo mugakori David tunyorite bo muraba mwabo na barochi na nawo they were suitable by that time na bare ko ochaka motu lakini tunyare kaniti barabo bagachoru David gago choru no akaromoke igo buna nje bono nguri gekiro geke kyobwe musi wa kyabanyoru ward inje tindi moli ya muntu ndi bwensi ene renga kingi na chakire bono I get to the people no bago chora barayi babo ekero barayi obwa beire abantu baitemeremo nande ni rumane naki no na chakire bono this is my first and this is the beginning na chakire bono igakurwa iga wetangaza kurwa the studio gai murarikeri ngo batina oburayi nya sawo kuru nande ngo gambande nande ngo lera abantu baitegasi kera wethira se amakori y'omuntu chingwana cyane bokumanya no murayi oyo ne mall no nere ni gibisiti no mutunya ni tu lakini takora gasi
oweso kyoko gekerokeria kugocha gose kerokeria orene ganga yokoligia oburayi yogoiga egante kamokere kienge nchonkeli na abange bakubuli na ine nonyeka gocha nkikeria akolire Michael Ningo nkia akolire so that ekerokeri ba okuoko boko bakora tena muamagoro imba manyete ni goko gada sebarena na abere kingo kora number 1 number 2 number 3 na hari konyora chinguru bas nabona ari wikirania ekene igemeretina oboro somborororo gwakeri kwara kolire kurumagega gose ogendera te wikirania asaboniga ase kenyoro ase ward so that bono goko gada sebarena ki akimorochi na kolireke akimorochi ngunya gwesu kumande kene bono lende morochi gento kende meteiga nkeri bakora ta na power yo kende meteiga bas manya gwikirania ayanda mange gochimwe oboro so gwakireke
bono tigante bebya oburayi bwane na kuruchagite nari abantu karo kende baranyare bakomanya bya kingo kina Nyaramba primary nje no igonsomete Nyaramba primary Nyaramba primary by then nimbe to mugambi wethera sogo choru na abana through the policies that I had put in place then nabo cyagerete tukakora uyu mwaka uyu naenda abantu mbayetete igo ngaruko rwaroro ngaenda enginda secondary school whereby I served as the head boy nimbe taroro na chore tu n'abanafunzi ngakora roro ase kanisa njeno mu SDA igo nimbete leadership ye kanisa Nyaramba SDA church nimbete na oburayi bwa CU ase Nyamira naende ninkorete even the voluntary to inyanyagetari ya Nyamira kerona kura masomane nonye ntarakura masomo nimjete KMTC Kilifi MTC na boli tu borai abalende tingirete
bakora tabana chikakulema
chikande 2017 kinde gongoni nimbe taroro nimboleti obo MCA gongoni ward 2017 despite that through the muchujo tinje tuweta ibona bona abantu na kombe ya Aisha Juma these are the people tu ari kumbera na gari chikura chirikire cha Malindi hika
ngai kwara kurusio bare muko rugusi paka wachi ya kobolia Malindi inense abantu manye
ya umora ibona garana arenga ari nabete umwarimu ni so meti Bridge International Academies as a teacher I realized that the people wa Mombasa amasomo taraenda kushima mashinani that is the constituency ya Magarini constituency asomo jumbe arwagoro ku ari kombe ngatumia ribageri kweralia na ko taka ko impact abantu bari ko nyora masomo igona bonera litini lakini ndeti nyareti yekere muchujo na weta lakini the only thing that is bangete advice in yamona siasa is political I mean it is a tribal obwe MCA genda chakira same that's when if you need to articulate your point oikwa ndo chakire same igobano na siasa ye mundu takote na bono kerokende na ukabila ni mbaya because it is deeply rooted asokuru ntobwate chinyomba njeno mosarage
lakini ose ekie kine kegendera tokora kana imensa bona igana ekerorigati gashagwa kwira na soboka agendera tukubeka abantu borogongoro wa Mount Kenya amo na kwenekina nkoba bareri bo elimo nigakurukwana no munyagisaku sino mugisaku ekerokeria matianya kwira na gusina kiti arachaka korunka areta abantu usara tumugusiamo igobogesa kubwa soireme Kalonzo Musyoka gagogenda guse ukambani igobogesa kubwa soireme bono rinde ngane yogote bana anya numurai bwense ya Kenya anya numurai bwa abantu bonsi contradiction terigati yabo because whatever na uikoira nenka ubeka abantamo ukwane na barabwo bakubekera amaboko rende bakubekere gutwe inaki basi bono soka lakini na ndekero kiria ekike kwarekana gwetara sabaraye na bono ingani yu wonchuru na bono oyo ubugesa kuno bwa bwato bwongera ubwoko mochanda utakonyara kugamba ense ya Kenya bono ngaitokorwa ngaitogo chelende
umura litigante beiga una tori gantu bwate sichinga tokorukuru etokobwa kuruchinga chinge echinchi bwata marieta no urwete senga kwaru na nje nindu tasenga na ebe no bokonyi mboro bone gatutete gukora otekende ngiro bwate kware gokonya igukura chakere kurwenga onye ngati agajigeti kende ngiro urakole guchigigari aige stoi boire nturi gochora umati ara ko bana gose bono ngori gitware nge stoko iboru igatangasi nari tware gochora bono ntware ko ba
na inda bange bare gochoranga
ntware gochoranga na benga buna no na barugi bari to nyomete asa abantu banyomete sai eizo ko teguna na inde bono ligienchira ochore nabo muntu karogenda rate benje tingo chore nke asichi sababu chiri aroche lakini nditukuna
nama kongwali aite
nama kongwali aite lakini waja kwenyura karobo kongbo ba igogo tebina omuntu yabanyene ngai bakoleteke ngai bale igo nonye Yesu egesa kukero kingi koleteke ngero none chinyomo chonzi ande yonsi biri byakoleka ntasebu wiko muntu nabwate asegesa kukaria kuru igonye kinkoru inchone no mosaragi kuikwa okobaru no mosaragi njirate yora chenchi odena bosaragi mboyo togo sirio bosaragi no tema kombia
abande bawe kasike ba chenchi omonwa
tikaga kiturerana ya tikaturana no biblically no ngero yesa ko ndase kesi magari igago tebi kuna umaite abantu mari tutobone tukosanga machaye ubogesa kumbokoreteki boro igondu kuja kuonjo kaya totebe Mheshimiwa Gashawa, what is doing is bad. Mheshimiwa Martha Karua, Mheshimiwa Matiang'i. Hapana. We just come from those families. We have no choice. By default, we are there. Come rain, come sunshine. Alini wotole.
Toko nyara kuge change.
Toko change. Wani toko ibanga kubali istwe nyolire, tuiboire. Wani kare toko ibanga, tuacha kuligia abantu of the like-minded. Tuacha kubwatana. Nagia kogera nacha sole na nda soyonde na soyonde whether of the like-minded ideas chiriche abantu babwati the ideology na kitokera twabange ebintu bya kolekana development te koba whether soga dena oli no mete no munya kabila apart from aso ivoire ngira kolekana ne lakini tukulina ukuburu kwa ya saivoire na ikinege ntekebe onye rindi ali
ne ntekera bona to muakira kura senchona oira nire kenyoro kia eme bono na igo era no muntu gwe kenyoro
muntu te yole gwe kenyoro ababonzi baruwe da se binyoro yes even the president na bwate kenyoro kia even the former president na bwate kenyoro kia because even the last time when the campaigns they were there na yego na ina mheshimiwa rais ale gote ina bono mheshimiwa rurioyo the retired president ndaibare kumuira ishawe ekenyoro ingi badara wade nango muira bale Kenya kera no mo Kenya eba maete muntu yo azina raiboire eba chit they really narrowed that one to there ichawe inse p ase chief yae asaiboire that's the minimum
achugambiro naba youth bae naba tulate
yes asumo turete am maete na oyo engakikete na ibole tuka ige binyoro mbibonera tuko siriwa for us ko chenga siasa yaite rinda bengia ndo sirie binyoro asiki nyusi asa toko kora
ntosiro boroso bwaito
boroso bwaito asto iboire tikango mugano mokeigo rero yaro ko bagose na America tole onyoro mo Kenya mbia mono lakini soko nyoro mugusi na kyore iwe
mogoko monene
umwana umino lakini uranyoro inde kazi ni yao ewe ikangapi igo ubuange bwito kujya sebinyoro asto ibere kolwa ebogo tobe kange politically socially ni culture is to practice igari
okay
if we can strengthen the culture na sto iboire igobona twachakire ko yagacha
asense mwende ekero keri okubori oburayo boiga abange karote kurwa asense mwe serikali na mono bali bali serikali baote bana abaiga bakwamire serikali number 1 agenda eroteyo agenda erone ya moyo kana entundayemo inere agenda kurase ensemo yago ekero tokolie chinsemo chiri chi agenda na wewe ukweranira kurase libori elio na nseme kwa mere serikali no nabara yabanga senga kinga buneyega agenda teyo babwate na ekerenga kiine kenene nukurwania na koene kina uliora obisi urikana sta sekero gikuna bono kyabanyoru nebwate omu MCA so abange mbali bagenete na agenda bari bono mokoli yebiro gebiga agenda yeno teyo agenda inene nene na ono koene kina uliora obisi gweika agenda enka sensemo ya agenda
tikantebe na oburayi bokurukurasa abantu kero ngwenda kotina gali abantu bagonchora n'abantu bakyabonyo rwanda abantu aba babwate their own agendas batiti bakorero abantu aba ibagotebiayo mwishimiwa Michael Mwambi Areba tubekera amache twarosire kwenda chindoche chagoleki kwenda roje takoleti kibono tiyo mbako eti agenda asitoko tara nechipara no chiroche chisarekete buna bono nyaramba gali market gano ne pale kwenda ku University of Kyabanyoro seko wagajugali para takoleti tiyo ikinenge tunaona roje na this is agenda is from the people who are choosing the people abarai baliwa bawo batakete togojo jago bateyo manyete bono ninche ndete kubakolera n'abantu bagotebi ingi batetewe obakolere litangani buna bono ebinyoro byaitu anya amasomo tayo bagwatiyo manyete obare obwizi mutike amasomo naye no nyaroje boyo onye nemete tayo no roje mete tayo bagwate bono nagito konye njire turanyoreki osimeke mete chipara nchiyo kiro muntu namaide na chipara ni agenda to any government era abaroro amasomo it is an agenda to any government ebi healthy ebi nebintu otatekitiko te yabantu nabono mogonjora nimba I can strengthen the healthy sector I can strengthen the nindo chipara ochirochi these are the things that ogo chakira igobono the united opposition not that we don't have the agendas ji agenda chiro ogo soka ya kwaligiriri ekoro konyora the health sector tariengia that is an agenda because as a leader you identify the weak points ekina kioko kora lakini isa kwa babono buna ayo wote yana bono we are going to draft the agendas from elsewhere to impose to the people wali bawo gochora ubate bono umanyete bono this is Singapore Singapore, these people, montorale tenjaro jago mode bono ngumurule Singapore. Ta kunyara koigwa. But uizo ko morosiri enchira. Omwano yasome. Anyora maji. Umanja ko mode umele Singapore. This is how the Singapore is. That thing comes as a vision. Umuntu aje amarali gakunya igakunya gocha. Aba Kenya nabotunga nabono no mwano iboire bono. You need to pump in the things birebia toboroso as a government kero ya swete in place umheshimiwa William Ruto na baroche from the former president keriara gokora onye yaringe to improve biria roje ne bimbire bobe atango bone yana kolzeki okolire tugane tikote yabantu nango barosirinde chipara kero bwate that power yogokora ayarosia eriogi nabo likoba ayarosia ekere eriogi likoba abantu bagoswa para kuandamana that's a need they are communicated to you because you are the father of the nation utenere nali ninga
lakini sense mwe serikali ngo baigene tena bakolira mange kolinde aba Kenya nigo ingena nigo batubira maiso barabo baigene tena bakolira mange uchakira bochenu bwagachu which para bwagachu chinyomba chiri gulirense togenda chisemi togenda ubolemi togenda uborendi bwaime kerekemo kolingana barabo baigene tena amanga ikiranigo ngayo muchandole communication yetayo gose nebinte bitarakorekana
bono tikangira niriga ubwagachi teri kintu kirebobe to any government have any place maybe nabegote yabantu baye we need to have the affordable housing the decent housing chirizigo chigwa accommodate abantu bamenye buya That's not a bad idea. Then he had introduced the taxes, to which if I introduce the taxes, na wachiko mokonya, what clear to the point of the yokorosi nyombeju. Lakini batoreka, ebi nyorebi bitu tole, ndobwate ebiginga. Ebigingebi, bunandeka, nanjininde tenga gache nyombengia. Nae nonde nati, taga gache nyombe koleteki, erengia. As the government is pushing for the building the affordable housing, not forgetting that we also have areas na into the tokoleki twagacha bandi tuikolere megondo totete twagacha taho koralinda ige ya iriri goli riechi chuma chisimiti yes atokonyera kwagacha injinga tunarwati to the government asubu agachi bono onye kiro nyagati akonye nenda abantu bomwanje muno igare kokora those people bari salaried bari babwato mushara kere family no nyora abantu bari kire ko simbabere now bakunyara kwagache nyomba chiri yako naje is okay because we have nothing to do with it. It is a policy, it is in place. And ato taibono to apply to the government enyomba ya chibesere ngode to kwagacha enyomba ya chimilioni 5 through our banks chiwe like into nyara ko service that thing to buy megondo ya itu chiplot cheto etu agachira ari tunyako service ngora because at the end of the day that's where we are willing to retire. Yes. Igo tokonyira baritori aso mushara. Yes. Aya for the healthy sector. Ekera abantu bakwenda banyora those services inchi yaroro.
Nera akanerete.
Nera akanerete. Ereta manyeti gose umaita bakenya mbamanyeti bunda network is a problem. It is all about the digital era. Erega the instant service eraria senyaketari. But if a government yes, if a government doesn't have the alternative to check ina kieko konya abantu asiti nketari, the moment inguru ge enji kubwendu kunyora then a network is not working and by maybe chibesa njiri ko submitted na and I'm in a critical condition ingi kieko tangazo sukari, the government has failed. Yes, eromanje titamanye tira iki the network is not working. Maybe the hospital, the infrastructure.
No nyina ba mama wa itara batata abandi mbare batamaiti amangana abwatikaine ne chinchira chekerero.
Chekerero mbamanyiti.
Era amanyete nako na nyakitari anyore ryogo. Abetwisi ndani anyoro bokoreri aira ne guchika.
Yes, bono garaga jawo deuna omongina kuraga nyagabu network
akumina nane nikinkoganya nakanerete
pesa nchiyo twatumira marieta not approved. That's not the problem to the patients. Omanye titi kante ebena kero kwa iruri bakasoborai. The blames they can come from andons. The Kenyans nabantu bakaniti bintu abu asengenjo mbakanerete
kirigeke kuna
instant nyikinya ketari unabona okaiga nyewe konini ebikonteina nchiracha sijui the shipments dirakolekana sijui tendering ebimba manyeti. But if that thing is not done as chinga kichire chingia, that's a blame.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nkwera ni bakase ward ya Kiabanyo. Ngwakwana yore university by the way ngai yekera ba. Ya yali roma tomora iwense ta atiteria. Ya goseka. Na ki ya yali ngai yere. Wata baka no nyene pare ko genda rori kori eri ndiri ku.
Tigante university
wadi mimi tara wanafunzi September
na injengo nyako atinde online ko manyanda ko sinera sepoto ya kusips erinde na inje nabona akanimbe the first student at least to be supported by the government in Somaro erinde ko emenda masomo ndegentekia na ndiko someranga na ndengo konyera abantu baito ekekeri mheshimiwa rais akoleta rigento kebe. It is for the first time Nyamira County ego jikutware university. Amaro raya gali ngikuruwa even from the former governor Banyabwate tutware university gali. Yabere bikaro byakolirwe ikirabono oboroso bwachakire ko baro. Engusana nere gali abantu baito Banyamira asuko ngusana kuri yagera na ikintu kirikara kolekana kiara ko nasi in the right time ngira kolekana
na ukigotebana nandi kwira nandi kiachaka kora aratebanirwa
bono ugotebanio ko kwagerire nonye ngirikiara ko baikiya ngijiti ko baro lakini nomanyete the timing of the university ngakikiye gocha bono tigaturi why is it the timing tigatura biko borosake tikabantu banya kungusa elinde ekikobane endwano morochi bano na chakire bali batari ujugo support kerikyo nyara ya chakirwe bate moroche ma onye ndrimo nga that full support atango September abantu babaraki bachaka gosoma inkingo tebera bono onye kere the government really wanted to help abantu ba kyabanyoro ni university baro the infrastructure ye para ebara koraro si parire koreki etie para tu etie para yes put those in infrastructure agari chinya kobaro we add the old classrooms chirichiare nkaro they could have even started even with the 2 students never no any course, let's say any course mbuya wocha na babere kubwa kuganya that infrastructure to be in place eri bakoleki bachiko bekachi course chinde chiraro because kintu kende yons kibekire siasa ngere gosuka lakini bono muraringo tebi na bono university gwikira bono onyendri ya beire na barai atango bato teirumete bono ngwa dimititore na ndiri atango atangachire ega asembio tutangazira na bono initeke neraro gwikira bono I'm not at the right point to say like we have got the intake maybe on September perhaps bari barai at that point na about yenye intake kiraro irinde tokendaro tukariki tosome
tutaraenda somo timuko Nyamira Mosesenirie University nge yachire ereli nero gali yankwarora
ereli nero netangaza
yebo
bono tikante beiga anene ebintu bigotangaswa na benka having a vision ere birengerere na benka buna intwe mu murogo kina oteba ninyome nye umukungu ereri n'ibintu bitangasire na benga n'ibintu ere you are just quoting ntorayikera nonye komanyana na gose nebo gose tekoba asinginjo yaki nonye no yokunyo mutawali zikitayo the things that they have to be in place bira correct bira lakana the budget for that one atanguninge ntoyolze kire kyabira approved through the parliament onyengira eta kali ke getanga subuya kibesa kiri kuchibe kwali ebine birengereryo biro lakini amakoru atayo onye makoru tayo igoge ndiki korotiki nkeyo igole na butonyo kwana kaireri na berabe baka karenga kiri budget ya yera koreki iraba
igo mochando monene nebesa
kubunge ayeti bunge
yebona
bunge tu ajibesa ereri chake
okay
yes
ekaro tukwera na baka se wodi ya kyabanyoro bono tuchake ne county ya Nyamira wikira bono iga ase ere estate ye county assembly because mamira mamende abuno uruchi umanyete asenge ncho ekero kolye kero yeke ya number 1 abantu bago nigo bako kutumogenda ase ebunge ye county ya Nyamira which kuba represent neli yogirire bako kwa ne chinguru chire basi nayo bugurete ibirero byabo byonsi ipi na maryogi yabonsi ipi paka ase county assembly ya Nyamira aso bwengense edakika ya mutumanya kada ase omutumuko iguru yobakorali we county assembly ya Nyamira wikira boniga how can you rate it
tigante it is below 2% out of 10
ngwaro wekisana
tikunyaro wekisana let's say the architecture on Nyamira it is one street yani nabugo yete Nyamira mali osoke nawa ujikwe nyole wasoke te kuri Nyamira county onye bari kubeko boroso that Nyamira Nyamira takire igabana bari barabona county assembly come 2027 every structured wiya chipara chibe wiya street lights chibe wiya abantu banyole biri bali erereira
ebakorate bana mugwate roundabout by the way
roundabout ziri Nyamira
na nde bakubori na nyonete iyo era turataka tutebererwe na roundabout ingubikwe ngayiga ni irikubikwa
Nyamira tekobora tekobora
araria
atutekishambararo
okay
yes Nyamira te police megagari wonjo kana Nyamira county gari asire ali UDC gari asire abanale gari megagari it can be well designed. Yes, it is all about designing Nyamira properly. Tigante no buraibwa umugambi Amos Nyaribo for the time abere no the late aki abanyamira bari wancha tonyoro burayo buyagari uburaibo ko buyagari none CMCA ekirakole bya lakini ngwara nona etwatiberera agari ko karaki kunya kumurwandi kurwani kisegi cheme wekiro mwairi
mara monagerionero takere kobekero gike mara no yoganiri kogororo mara mukarosi bunge mashinani
yes
nene valid mara nero ere obisi korera se chi obisi chi county ona nesigi
togasiria dibakatwara ko labantu tokairana kisegi cheme togasari chinga kichiri chingi yatware go design asali lakini nene totebe naki wono nene no nginkararoro ora baroro tunyagaje and 100% I believe Nyamira ngo chinjire come 2027
okay
asobora yunga
karagwatira igo turaragera so mutimo komoke tukwirana bono tuchukirana ase wodi ya kyabonyero bono turigererie na manifesto ya bwango bango kurwa mache amakoli obochenu aseseme area yechisemi abarimu ba ACD gochana ki state ine kira sesemo yechisemi Soko TV boroso bwo mugusia sebona no gusumira chiduka na kurwa mutwirane na yanda mange igo to skare ne TV yao
Eye nen Soko TV uboroso bumugusi magega ya televisioni ya Soko wikasero yao kwa nyori baga ligi yaliokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia bokwenyuria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyori bagali ya bene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyake busani tolikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662. Chuo Kikuu cha Tangaza tumebobea katika kozi zifuatazo: PhD in Education, Masters in Theology, Bachelors of Arts and Communication, Diploma in Law, Certificate in Counseling Psychology. Tunafundisha TVET courses kama vile ICT, Diploma in Teacher Education. Tunafundisha lugha ya Kifaransa na Kijerumani. Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi katika anwani inquiries@tangaza.ac.ke au tupige simu kwa nambari 0722204724 au 0711713910. Unaweza kututembelea katika chuo chetu mji wa Karen, jiji kuu la Nairobi, Lang'ata Road. Tangaza University, kuelimisha akili, kugeuza mioyo na kubadili maisha. Mrna nabali bechinguru erikwe manyabo na wataka kuchitana nyechiense. Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke na kige kos kiamesa yamangana maya. obulimira bw'essiro y'obunda bwense kulende tali nchirende yonsira kurubulimi obyoke enyore libaga lya bene kwaegwa megerio chisemi nobosemya iguru y'obulimi bwekerero n'ekikolinga
ase oboremi bochete skuru nobotugi bokumererwa make
tebone ng'ombe bune yengiya
ngale konyana eyinsimegete nterangetia maraba ekonete konya gukina yo kamaraba konya kuyana nganya kwama buya
beka chibuti imokio bokombe to mogondo bweli nebisumwime na Pathwell machine
Kretu kuria Jumaine chinsa ni bere chamora goba wika chinsa isato asomoro bere oboremi nobotugi ekero turesemia mange kura saberemi chini gongoro kwa Pathwell machine
asomoro bere oboremi nobotugi ime Yensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Eye Yensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Karibu na ndo mwanchumo ligerelia chile kena meronge tatu na kianda igure chinsi sano chiaba wana mambi ya sense muyende ya gatatu sugo sanga egwadi ni ya kiaba nyoru na rotogandre to kwana ne county ya Nyamira ase obwagare Michael nigo tuwatigara stuwaru kukwanira iguro ya yabwatikaine ne county assembly na labra kura sense muyago kero koliere county assembly ya Nyamira machiko na of course maetekere county ni bwata IH bills nchiri chikoretu meswada hapa na pale muswada oyomo gusebere eliuraga nyichi koba sponsored ochenore orosiwe wanduli aba MC oyo mbobere batatu bakubwate sine kero right of course no konye abantu bakia banyoru nechiwadi chonsi emerongo ebere yasinge nchu muswada orogoeta tali wadi emo ugochaka konya one chiwadi chonsi emerongo ebere ne county ngima ya Nyamira muswada oyomo gusebere gusuli orochena lichikeliga ndigani rikorerwa amount reryo wikira boniga
tigante bena wetera sama somo amasomo abantu baitu basome kero gwetera sogo soma igo twakonyekire kenyoro wika abantu barusiwe obochinga through education system it has to be in place without compromising with the amasomo ya abana ebinyoro ntomaete ingo kwende university ningo tari kwende university who needs to go to the TVET achiko somaro. We don't need omontaji to my desk like mambi ebuna ngonyero umwana kwenda to university. Whereby that if it is a good system for the education, tumanye tena bosaragi abana bari form 4 bari banyoltechi ebara abana batatu bakwenda kwasino konyaketali. What is their stake from the county government? For those ones bakwenda the TVET, ndobwate sichagari, ndobwate itibo, yons, these people balinga bakwendaro. There are those people batageti nonye 10 shillings yoko photocopy their documents. Help these people having in the office to help their documents. Like a desk, they can go senya ramba gari into the office. They go deal with the abana bonse amasoma. Mwana go choteba inchetimbo atie besa ye photocopy. In photocopy my documents, igombo nita ko report to this university. That thing has to go Kurua as a word and to the government. Amanyete these people, they need this and that.
No mubaroba no royo.
No mubaroba no royo. A basari, ye county government, igere, let's say 20 million. How much are we wording? The A's. Spread across these people to their accounts. You don't need somebody to go beg. It's better than these people to get 5 shillings from the county government. Giving one individual 20,000 and excluding abantu bare ise pibatanya no nyore photocopy.
Lakini segine kiago korekana na politicians and leaders baunchoire umwana inchi gosomo akie kura kobomo sabereli yani wabere bega na kira litukoni gara service yago kira litukoni gagendera to kuligene chisemi na semina chirecho kuimukia baraya bange mbakari kuimukia and of course na no chikwira na ngakie inae nigora chocho oike ochenche line ende gose na ndonyo are iPhone era ndukabate iPhone na kero mweshimiwa wekatware iPhone waona iguchi yaba kwa musana kugoikera and of course mubwata chipiye chaino lakini nonye ne pia nonye no yerigyo ko iguno mheshimiwa ni garibisi yani enchiranere muko handle umwana inchi na goikereka eguchiyaba akongusana gunchora umwana inchi na goigo mwakie kura ko bebega. Is that right?
Ya tigade na bono siasa ya bono umurari ya ikero ko bana eria mangana ahende butwe wekwa ingomanyete mujumbe kyomanyete wasemsi kyomanyete na brokers babo mbarabiaba who can articulate your point ujaso mheshimiwa. If we have a place, these people, they get these services whereby the county government in Ewatin infrastructure chiae, they have to be devolved from the county to the wards. You don't need necessarily to get a number yomojumbe kiara you know your stake neririye onye ne stake ya masomo iko peupe. What is your take? Yes, if it is for the healthy support to the dispensaries ya maliogo ogigari is something that kimanyiraro. Let's say there's a dispatch for the drugs. You don't need urangeri the flagging amaliogo. Let these things be nyagete gigari. Nyagete ari amaliogo kararo abantu tekabanyanyolire gigari. Injinambe ya muno nagote yomorali. It is to have the office chief devolved from the counties to the wards. Yes. Kiera, we are the representing a ward chaito. Let that office sit vizuri as a ward. From there, if it's for the education, if it's for the infrastructure na bintu binde, onye nobole mi, let these people wanyore wakonywa. Inkaga ali tubwate pisansi boli myo koboke. Abantu betinga tukiba cyandete no boy. Abantu betinga tukiba cyandete mono amasomo yo boli mi. Tayopi. Nonye migondo yakolete keremeke. Abantu aba through the seminars, abantu abasomiwa batebunike abantu bakolima niga bakonye kiseme. Baigiri swamugondo. This is something nina abere kingo kora. Lakini nama tukanyu make. Alinyamira shifting supermarket nerali. There's liberals bakobera agari. Ad uterus, there is a time na atumiete the liberals bakotoka gari. Ayebo kama ambigari saa 12 abakungu n'abasaje bakire gari bamekusanyika batenenire. Onye mjengo gokuba teibono indi tabantu ikomi. Abantu onye negari ubwate gose ningi bamyukirime. Kwa baironye nyaramba baogolle guys bairana. How much you kwa bachibaschiri. Ingingo tebera boyo. We have enough labor. Abantu ari bawo chikotirinari kuriye gazi town. Baswe megondo. Yes, we see how we can support these people whether natorete na wanachama yokulemea semegondo. Abantu turabakonye turoshindagira gari konya abantu baitu.
Okay. Asobwango tutarachikokolera chireka tubwata abundo change kianda chioka. Kere ward kerense mone bwate priority chiae amakongwaro eward ya kiabanyoru taliaro makongwa kale basi buitangare gosesameta mukwerero mwino gali. Your top priorities as a ward ya kiabanyoru gochiase umwaki ekura nabo igo birogoroche na evi ne bionda chigoikrania. Your top priorities as a ward ya kiabanyoru.
Yeah, nambe yemo my top priorities abana basome banyora masomo. They don't need to tamak to look who is obviously mugambinga jekale ngayingina nyore the photocopies. They will be available to the proximities bagotokera gigadi. They will feel it. A good network for the education iraro. Abantu baitu basomire a system mbiye. Nambo kabere they healthy. It is paramount. Good infrastructure amakori akororero biya abekire mara mugari biya umuntu aranyare gukonywa ayikinya gitari.
Lakini yabwaso kungura amakori the process of tendering abamsiye ngosona na mukare.
Tigante bena
nabo igo kwamanya konyora no bwasi okumbo iyo no bwene enchira chikonde chiga niri kwena no gocha.
Tigante beiga onye ne chikondo chechipara tigegente kibekwe asabana inchi. Abana inchi basomire. We have good engineers around. Baratokorire kasi. Let our people be given the first priority to serve. We get their test ya leadership na gukora kwabo. Nagiye kugara if we get these people baswira masomo basomire. Let's feel amasomo ali abo kotokolera intwe. If I train today a nurse, I am expecting that nurse araturwari Nyamira. Let that voluntary akora aroro at least namwea egentegeke. Just facilitation only that. Yes. Let our products work for us. Yes. Let us also the biribago somera we align with biribago chakotokolera asibe nyoro bieto gayi.
Kwenye wekire priority number isata sese moyo biye chipara ngwa kwandira chisemi obochenu chipara kendra bon.
Yeah.
Ena akunacha.
Waona se chipara echi. Let that tendering ebe wasi kuchia sabantu bonse. Tiga abantu batebiguna bono ntubwata makoli atakire korosyo. Bali babwato bomanyi tiga bakoleki tiga batume. Let people feel what you are doing. Kera na bako cholete. Tiga even the chief mama mboga no nonde bwensisi gikali baka none mwana amanyelero likolirire kuroga igali yatangazirwa tiga likondo liyeta abantu badina likoliyeri ndikagere korosyo ondo bwato bomanyi tiga koleki tiga ndangali Nyamira koleki akore application tendering yaye baligiriri kuba unengi kubaleta no lyo ratokoleka kasi.
By the way wakwanirigoro yaba chief na inyoire na abakambi abebinyoro barangeri kwa village elders uchese nyombo yo Braiwense na kikyabanyoro marenga mu abeke gari marenga bacha no asenyombe yo Braiwense
tigante beiga
na nemba chibanyora 3000. By the way, your comment on that?
Tigante beiga the presidency now what the powers given by the constitution ekero kurangiriwa na iso oikoigwere
oko minyoka iwigari na tatu turangiri inki kagoteba tatu mino nabarabe mumumanyete igara nabagotebe tarimo ikiranu
nakulire
yase nararemeire
nagotebe tina ninchankole ebaote na tuite iso na mambi gukibole nagotebe tina mambi ntokenda uchimatali mara uchirenjere ngao ebintu ekiao kiarenge wonchoira okolire iga yachire nsemende lakini okorangire ikamugo tutegerera ngiagoteba because we respect the presidency, the office. Yes. Kiera nero the office yagotumia wikera ni bunabona usalama na kumanya binyoro na kibire ikaransali abatebi the point here the agenda at the what clits to the ever fell to the ground paka somonto inisi naramaya akokolegasi naroko raga iga nonywe twatebigwa ekituchiko gi apply maybe nabogeta akoleki nabogeta aswanane kurwase binyoro byaitu I think by that flexibility yabo tokubeka abantu lichoki nguru bare reports to the which is the counties chekera mpaka the president umanyana na kibinyoro bire kerababu if the reports batena keri watebete ase kinyoro karoki koretiki
kenaboke konyare kana ekeranire kenigo twaro biri igana
but the problem to bwate moralia kiba ikire gari atebiwe kia engero igobono igagomotemete kiri kintu bia kire
echaye kwanza echaye state house kari kwanza sana
yes no nyengeria enda kuchiko komotebia weba uko arika nikukuribuo kaiga umuntu eba nonye representation area ndaroro
lakini ekera okukwana igo ase county ya Nyamira and of course nera tukwanira sabono ekerora nyoro rase kirugekyo ntubwate ngane eri na gwika otengere edansi gusogotera kuri kwa mugavana neri tukoriria eracheto kanena nigo mwasweta obisi nere kwa naboni ga chikurigwa nubwato mutikete naki oyo nere korengana na inchenda chensire buno mu MCA tuligie kirugeke gana nde nyare kanena ki mwanyoriro bora yubuiga lakini ri tukoriria abantu gwika bare bagosana mabira mambiende gashagwa ngwaroche boni gatali siko Muraiwense noro cha yagendrete abara gwika bare mwabachana chinkwano labda obokorera ndo that erache gwikirana oli wasirete mwaetanire nere ngikera chike bwatikose
tigante beiga
nigora chobe the truthful man
tigante whatever nko support buna ese governor ebe oirire tomotebi these are the points chitu zitokolera abantu oimokire okolire egento kireke yao ochire mamincha yakirizo itokokora inche maikareba nimbo mutangani wasoka
Aindo manyo tatenge tieta ngo yae na bera cheko bera ko ngusana na nda sobrai. Usambra no ya roche ma trochi ma chi wadi ke tega iberesa to iga.
Nindoche. E dance ngiya tenga na bari bakoire to tenga with the greedy interest y'abantu abake. Esa bari enanye chakire okogenda kuba natambe igera evaluated n'abantu ni yagache na barabo mbuya kuyagacha soboroso bw'abantu kubwa kuyagacha sabantu barabake because the interest can change na biri okorora biri n'ebintu bya maiso maybe omontare besa yachire ga chibesa ya sort to the county government maybe atete kurachi akakobo chiga then whatever koratiga nonye na engeri tware koragitika
njitomera naso mobogani gete gatorara kwana
njitoraragira
mutarayitie genteke karanchu kwanza
mara kale ngora achurangiria abantu lakini rende abana aba batogote abasombe chipale chichirosyo indikato ko chakorosi onya to kunya kobogeriwa.
Okay, aso ukolera so bwango dakika naye ya moiga nomination ineraro itoka rewe ikira nomination lakini tanyare tiribaga lyogosuka guchibosyo. Your next step.
Yeah.
Ugotiga gosoko na independent gosingikira chikafari.
Tika nganchire nkwane to my party. I use the party. Inchega ya gongo present the party of PLP party.
Kiamada Karua.
Kiamada Karua. I do believe that the Mother Karua, Her Excellency, with that leadership, she can deliver. She's worth it. She can do it. I believe in her. She has been in the government. She has done tremendously the great job. And I do support up to the end. If it means that I will not get that opportunity to serve through the party, and the party has decided to give the nomination to somebody else, I will support. But I will not go to a different party.
Okay.
We can support you mongina, na endo nyo mongina ondora chiko likie kerogeke whether as a party inchego na support.
Okay.
Yes.
Yamano mwancho mwaligeria yasogo sanga twasangire kamera yago neye erikire namba 2 liukuri yaguchi asomo akie kura chisekunde 30 choka.
Bono ngoteba iga. Abantu bamituba kyabonyoru ward inche ngoroku Maiko Mwambi Areba Musaragei ingagere Nyaramba ase chidukagai. Iganto naro kubasaba nimanyize nabange bakuriye kerogeke kyoborai nono yo minto Benecha the sitting MCA nararo nabandi mbaligi lakini nanche bona asikinyo nanche naachire nanche ndete moro borai wanne gochikoba go bahakikishira borai bwane borabo buya nande muranje nambe ya the top priority abana mbasome chipara nimbaroseri na ekosi eri nsomle the medical engineering nyamira yaitonje nyerosi ya benkia amariogo natoke erigo ikera mwe igubiya we restructure nyamira na inu mwe gokina oborai bwakoleki wabere gaiga igongo basabe kuro ya ino mweri garigie monchore 2027 ino nande monda ngeri enamba ya nere wazi ndigie nimbaligiria abasani nande bono nimbe kingo baretera abasani erigo ikirie ganga ya abantu baitu baki abanyuru banyole aria abaunengeti university ebebuya chipara chibebuya abantu baitu basome.
Yabano soko sanga twasangire oyo no mochakano nanga kinde na ntonyorera libagali gukwanira yanda mange of course twaganira gukwana kole ni chinsa na ichio chia tokero gose chia tonyorie chira kenye choka chia tigere chira gaisano ne mochia bono mubaso endera kubati mirobire ndi atigera serit kurigima goikeri yankyo na inde inye goika isano ne maso murobire wetero bini eriane Ishmael Mogere.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. onye kubwateri ibolio obosemia gusekero kende gyonsigoro y'emirobo yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakere simi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri ukuri email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutuka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatano na limo asumucho munene o Nairobi. Ensoko TV uburuso bw'omuguse magega ya television ya Ensoko gwikasero yawo kwanyoriribaga ligi yali yokuraria asegete senambeyemo